早晨，真係 my apology because I don't know what happened to in between like Zoom and Facebook， 我真係唔知點解 link 唔到佢哋，因為正常其實我喺 Zoom 做緊 live 嘅時候咧，其實可以拎落去 directly 拎落去我嘅 Facebook 嘅，即係我嘅自己嘅個 group 嘅 page 嘅。咁但係唔知點解今日 black out 咗個畫面唔得，因為我今日有 documents 啦，有 PowerPoint 啦 share 俾大家啦，即係講關於今日嗰個 topic 啦。咁後來 alternatively 諗住 Facebook 直情 live，因為 Facebook 其實有個 function 咧係可以 for show documents 噶嘛，咁但係唔係好識用，所以 my apology。OK，so 今日咧 instead 咧做一個 live 啦，咁我就 rather 做一個 recorded 嘅 Zoom 嘅一個 recorded 嘅 live 啦，俾大家啦。咁跟住咧我就會喺翻個 Facebook 嗰度即係 download 翻出嚟俾大家去睇嘅。咁今日其實最主要嘅 topic 咧，我諗大家其實之前都有睇到係 Are we healthy？OK，Are you healthy？OK，so this is really tough questions. Why the questions came to me? Because recently a friend of mine asked, hey, I'm so healthy. Okay, so because I've been exercising a lot, I've been eating quite a lot of vegetables because I'm vegetarian, things like that. 跟住佢又話即係我又覺得我自己冇病痛 ，OK， 咁係咪即係其實 healthy 咧？咁但係其實即係發覺之前其實都有個朋友咧係因為都係覺得自己好健康啦。咁發覺其實佢有 cancer， 係啦，即係 somehow 佢真係有 cancer， 咁但係佢一直以來都係覺得佢自己好健康，咁所以即係 so this subject came to my mind by asking myself or by asking my family members or whoever that I know, are we healthy? Are you healthy? So 今日嘅 topic 其實就會係即係講呢樣嘢咯。咁其實點解我哋即係成日都會覺得自己係 healthy 咧？或者其實我哋係咪真係好 healthy 咧？咁今日我咧就有個 document 會 share 俾大家嘅，係啦。咁 bear with me 嚇，OK 好，就呢個 document 啦。咁我就即係都琴日都花咗少少時間去做啦。咁即係但係如果有啲可能唔清晰嘅地方咧，咁大家即係都可以之後話翻俾我知嘅。好得意嘅喎，我一路講咧，佢一路咧其實有啲中文嘅嗰啲嘅 subtitle 咧，自己會彈出嚟嘅喎 ，so funny。OK 好嚇，咁係啦，即係呢個問題可能大家都開始問大家 ，Are you healthy？OK，咁我哋講 next 啦。咁好多時候咧即係我哋自己覺得嘛 ，we feel good right，because we look good。咁但係我哋都知道，即係有科學家啦，即係全世界科學家啦，其實都會做咗啲研究㗎。咁其實就係講緊咧，而家喺我哋而家呢個時代啦，係呢個年代啦 ，average 我哋嘅 lifespan， 即係我哋出生嘅即係我哋 overall 我哋嘅應該 lifespan， 我哋應該個生長嘅期，或者我哋去到幾多歲數會死咧？咁其實我哋咧會第年其實都會有機會去增加即係30年。咁所以我哋開始就問自己個問題就 As we live longer, does it mean are we living better or we are living longer？ 咁 scientists 咧其實亦都會有報告話翻俾我哋知咯，其實唔係。係咪即係代表我哋越長命，其實就會肯定我哋就會即係 live better 咧？咁我哋就會發覺開始而家啲年紀大嘅老人家咧，係咪就會發覺其實佢哋有 chronic disease 啦，即係嗰啲叫做長期病患啦，即係嗰啲叫係咪叫急性病啊？唔識講呢中文，突然之間 chronic disease 啦，係啊。另外咧就係即係我哋會年紀越大，咁當然避免唔到就係其實係 aging 啦，係啦。其實都係呢兩個元素框住我哋，其實我哋係咪真係 healthy 咧？我哋其實有冇呢啲咁嘅 health problem 咧？係啦，因為大家都知道嘅，即係年紀越大咧，其實我哋都係被困擾住呢兩大嘅問題 ，chronic disease 啦，同埋真係老，開始有紋啊、有斑啊，呢啲其實都係老啦，係咪？開始可能其實關節痛啊、甩頭髮啊、白頭髮啊。可能開始其實有 cancer 啊，有 有其他嘅糖尿病啊，即係呢啲都係即係 chronic disease 啦，係啦。咁但係其實圍繞都係咩問題會產生咧？OK，so according to the scientists, according to the scientists, so these health major problems are approved to be associated with neither nutrition deficiencies，即係我哋嘅營養唔夠啦 ，and free radicals attack to our body， 同埋自由基侵襲我哋嘅身體啦。大家即係其實可能都唔係好知道咩係其實自由基 ，which 我陣間其實會 touch 到。係啦，咁大家可能都會明啦，即係營養不良啦，係咪第一樣嘢？其實大家知即係小朋友可能食嘢唔夠啊，都營養不良啦。咁但係其實大人食嘢夠，覺得自己食嘢夠，係咪即係其實就營養好豐富咧？咁我 which 而家我都會講下啦。係啊，咁好多時候咧，我哋咧大人都會覺得啊，我好似有食菜啦，我有食肉啦，我有食粉飯啦，不過可能深刻可能粉飯面 carbs 可能比較多啦。I've been taking a lot of vegetables, it's a good combinations of all like vegetables, meat, and carbohydrates, things like that. But somehow might be taking some carbohydrates, a lot of portions, overall. 咁係咪即係其實代表我哋即係而家好健康好均衡飲食喎？其實都唔係喎，因為喺即係日本其實都即係做過好多嘅研究啦。咁亦都即係 scientists 都係發現到其實好多我哋認為嘅 natural foods 咧，裏邊已經其實係流失緊好多營養㗎。咁 so like 包括咧因為我哋嘅地土啦，我哋嘅泥土啦，即係種植物底下嘅泥土啦。而家即係受損害啦，因為可能好多呢即係因為全部可能好多工業嘅環境，令到我哋嘅泥土可能受污染啦。出邊嘅環境啦，令到我哋種植嘅環境可能已經唔好以前咁，可能唔多雨水啦，咁令到可能種植嘅嘢其實亦都再加埋 pollution 啦，種植嘅植物其實亦都唔健康啦，同埋好多 addictive 啦，係啦 addictive like 可能好多食物嘅加工啦，即係可能有啲 colouring 嘅 flavour add 落去我哋嘅嘢食嗰度令到好似靚啲亦都可能感覺上睇落去好似好味啲即係好似 environmental factors or distractions and addictive， 其實呢啲都係 the key common factors 令到我哋而家嘅nutrients 即係唔夠咯 deficiency 啦，即係我哋認為嘅 natural foods 嗰度。咁所以大家即係可以都睇下隔離，其實嗰個圖咧就係而家，譬如我哋好多年前啦，譬如可能由1950開始啦，到而家啦 nowadays when you consume 100 grams of spinach, okay, so how much amount of the vitamins that we found in each of them。咁 back to 可能1950嘅時候咧，我哋仲見到好營養仲豐富啦，即係 around 150 milligrams that the vitamin C that we found when we eat 100 grams of spinach. But the number of grams, the amount of vitamin C that has been decreasing as years go by。咁去到1994年啊，其實大家知唔知道其實個 vitamin C 嘅數量其實會跌到幾多啦？其實得返13 milligrams。咁去到而家 now today 啦，即係2020啦，其實嗰個數量其實仲更加少。咁所以我哋真係唔可以覺得自己食嘅嘢，我每日都食好多菜，可能食好多嘅蔬果，係咪其實代表我哋已經 healthy 咧？都會 eating a lot of vegetables daily in our daily meal, or even a lot of amount of a fruit, but still it doesn't mean we are consuming the right in the right nutrients in the food that we are intaking。咁同埋隔離其實都有講啦，即係呢個亦都係好權威嘅 antioxidant 嘅 researchers 嚟㗎。咁佢係 Dr. Packer 啦。咁佢就話 It's difficult for us to take all the essential nutrients through our daily diets alone。而家單靠我哋即係每一日食嘢咧，其實都已經唔可以足夠令到我哋身體唔夠用，應該係話我哋而家即係吸收緊嘅維他命或者即係所有嘅營養嘅元素。So if we do not have sufficient nutrients, our body simply cannot provide an optimal health defense system, which increases the risk of developing chronic diseases。咁所以吸收唔夠嘅營養 gradually 當我哋年紀大、年紀老嘅時候，就會發覺可能好多呢啲 chronic disease 其實就會發生。Simply 大家可能都會知道糖尿病都係其中一種咯，係啦。咁 咁跟住 gradually，如果我哋唔處理佢呢啲問題，就會影響會有即係 cancer 咁咯。係啦，咁另外個範疇咧就係即係講緊 age 啦。咁其實點解我哋即係年紀越大，我哋其實會年紀會 age 咧？即係大家都意識到呢個其實係一個 common sense 啦 ，right 係啦。咁但係 but why do we age? Okay, just year goes by and then we age, you know. Basically it's associated with free radicals, because 因為 free radical 即係中文叫自由基啦，自由基其實每一日咧都喺度 attack 緊我哋嘅 body。咁每一日嘅自由基，其實自由基大家都知道其實唔好嘅，有啲自由基其實係身體要產生啦，有啲其實係外來嘅產生啦，係啦。咁陣間其實我會講下咩嘢係自由基嘅特質，係啦。咁每一日其實我哋俾呢啲咁唔好嘅自由基襲擊我哋身體嘅時候咧 ，so those are those free radicals or negative, you know, particles associated with, you know, over 200 kinds of chronic diseases， 會引發到會令到好多我哋有慢性疾病，係啦，我記得。chronic disease 嘅慢性疾病係啦，咁但係我哋可唔可以避免呢啲自由基嘅咧？係啦，係唔可以嘅，因為每一日咧身體裏邊同埋外來嘅環境都會令到每一日都會有好多自由基。咁大家可能好 scary 一樣就係 over 1 million free radicals attack our bodies every day. Okay, every day, every minute. 因為點解咁多咧？因為其實咧自由基係咩咧 ？Like you know radiation。我哋搭飛機啦 when we travel, you know, on the plane, right? Those are the radiations that we may we attach to the free radical. Smoking 啦，係咪？即係大家都知道唔係好嘅 habits 啦，咁但係佢會令到我哋身體會產生自由基啦。Like pollutions coming from, you know, outside，附近可能裝修啊，屋企裝修啊，可能突然之間天氣環境唔好啊，好多塵啊，好多嗰啲 storm 啊，即係令到個成個環境好多沙塵滾滾啊，things like that 嗰啲都係 pollution 啦。Like stress, when we rush to work, when we were so stressful, you know, doing our homework, and you know, when we were doing our you know, our projects assigned, you know, in our job， 嗰啲其實都係 stress 嚟嘅。咁嗰啲就會令到我哋有個叫 intrinsic 嘅自由基產生啦。咁另外就係oxygen's metabolism 其實都會啦，即係氧化之後嘅令到我哋嘅新陳代謝低慢，都會令到我哋產生自由基啦。Chemical toxins 亦都會係啦，因為好多時出邊嗰啲環境唔好嘅因素嗰啲 chemical 咧，佢就譬如我哋吸收咗唔好啊，聞到唔好咧，都會讓我哋身體裏邊有啲自由基產生啦。Unhealthy diets 啦，食得唔夠營養啦，同埋可能即係唔均衡飲食啦，亦都會啦。咁另外大家可能都冇意識得你曬太多太陽咧，其實都會有自由基。當然嘅，其實我哋都有 UV 要 protect 住啦，係咪？即係防 UV 啊、UVA、UVB 啊嘅即係 sunblock，尤其是 UVA 係最 harmful to our skin。咁所以其實 sunlight 啦，其實都係一個好大嘅元素，令到我哋有自由基。但係我哋又唔可以唔 expose to sun 啊，翻工啦、放工啦、翻學放學啦，即係都會有機會咯，係啦。咁同埋另外即係我哋譬如睇電視啊、睇手機啊，即係嗰啲其實都有自由基會釋放出嚟。咁 simply look at you know the pictures on the right, left low bottom corner 係啦，你會見到其實嗰個係即係 cut 咗個 half of the apple。咁一半嘅蘋果切咗出嚟之後 so you may notice once the other side of the apple after we cut it off, okay, without any protections at all, the skin itself will turn to brown, okay, because it's the process called oxidation。 嗰啲其實就叫做氧化，即係當我哋嗰個蘋果半份嘅蘋果，我哋冇冚住佢啦，吸完之後，咁其實另外嗰邊咧就會接受咗多空氣之後咧，你同我都唔意識得到原來嗰啲空氣就會令到佢慢慢氧化，嗰啲其實就係自由基啦。咁係咪好驚啊？真係好驚㗎！即係你無時無刻你唔意識得到冇嘢俾人冇嘢罩住你自己嘅時候咧，即係其實你冇 full protection， 咁嗰啲自由基 even 你喺屋企啦，其實都會侵略緊你自己咯。係啦，咁呢個圖咧其實就係即係講翻俾大家知，其實 how the free radicals affect us in long run。OK 係啦，咁可能即係大家會咁人梗係會死㗎啦，咁其實每日都有自由基 attack， 咁都控制唔到㗎嘛。但係 gradually, okay, if you're not doing anything to deal with the free radicals that attack your body, ultimately, okay, what it will turn to， 咁首先啊，即係第一個啦，就係我哋一個好好健康嘅身體嘅時候咧，即係我哋有被自由基侵襲我哋嘅身體嘅時候咧，就會發覺就係 free radicals try to damage our cell DNA，即係我哋身體好多個 cell 噶嘛，細胞同 DNA 噶嘛。咁 what happens next? Okay, we are not doing anything to do with it。睇翻上面先啦。咁當我哋個好好嘅細胞嘅時候咧，受自由基侵襲咧，其實你就會發覺嗰個細胞咧會開始咧即係壞死啦。係啦，咁開始壞死咧就 the cells will die because you know free radicals attack us。跟住啦，開始就我哋呢啲壞死咗個 cell 咧，咁其實咧就會慢慢就會影響其他嘅 cell 細胞，就會越嚟越多。跟住就會令到我哋嗰個細胞嘅 function 咧唔可以再好順暢咁樣運作，即係破壞咗啦。跟住就會發覺，咦，開始皺紋多啲，we start to see wrinkles, we start to see touching skin, we start to see you know our hair turn to gray, right? So those are really the symptoms, hey, telling you you are aging. Okay, but we see you know this we see this is happening to yourself, even to your parents, right? 咁跟住啦 the worst case 咧就係咧 look at the bottom 啦。Okay, so once the free radicals attack our body, attack our DNA, so those cells will impact the other cells, turn those cells from the healthy cells, you know, to bad cells, unhappy cells. Okay, and then those cells are being damaged. Okay, 真係壞死咗啦。Okay, they cannot go back to the normal. They cannot go back to the normal cellular functions. 跟住咧。若果我哋做一啲嘢嘅時候，就變翻呢啲健康嘅 cell 嘅時候咧，咁咪就當然冇問題啦，係咪先？但係如果我哋繼續唔理佢嘅時候咧，呢度呢啲壞死咗嘅 cell 或者呢啲繼續被 damage 嘅 cell 咧，連續咁樣 one by one 咁樣傳染開去咧，其實咧嗰啲就會變成 cancer， 即係我哋俗稱叫做 chronic disease。所以其實個源頭咧都係即係其中一個問題咧，都真係 free radical attack。咁所以其實呢度我哋有解釋 free radicals 咧就係一啲好 unstable 嘅 molecules 啦，佢就將喺個細胞裏邊嘅嗰啲叫做電翻會偷走晒，係啦，跟住咧本身嘅細胞就唔好嘅，就變咗好嘅 cell 就變唔好嘅 cell 啦，咁佢就會慢慢就會黐住另外嘅細胞咧，佢就不停喺度喺佢嗰啲分子嗰啲 molecule 裏邊繼續喺度黐住佢，跟住佢就會繼續偷走佢嗰啲電子啦，令到佢咧直至到成連串嘅 change of 嘅 cell 或者 DNA 咧壞死晒，咁佢先至開心啊！咁但係當然啦，我哋唔會俾佢得逞噶啦，係咪先？咁但係我哋有啲咩可以做得到去 avoid 呢啲 free radical 去 attack 咧？即係好似我哋曬太陽唔會唔曬啦，我哋交功課，我哋做 project 嘅時候，亦都會好 stressful 啦。即係呢啲其實係每一日都會產生，咁點算好咧？係咪？咁所以其實咧，我哋就意識到有個叫做 antioxidants 嘅即係防禦嘅 system 啦。係要保護自己，即係好似一個保護膜咁。即係當你一個 cell 其實真係可能已經開始壞啊，可能已經即係變咗唔好嘅時候咧，我哋都唔想佢做一個 chain reactions，令到其他唔好嘅細胞黐住佢，而繼續令到佢全部嘅身體嘅細胞其實都壞死㗎嘛。咁所以其實 it's really important for us to start to build up the comprehensive antioxidants defense system, because it's important for us to get the extrinsic antioxidants, you know, from diet and supplementations. 因為好多時候我講即係我哋有 intrinsic 嘅free radical 會產生㗎嘛喺我哋身體 ，which 我哋未必係控制得到。咁但係其實外來嘅嘢，其實我哋都可以盡量去避免。咁就係當中，譬如透過我哋嘅均衡飲食啦。咁亦都係即係當中均衡飲食，你都唔確定其實係咪可以即係 enough 嘅時候俾到 sufficient 嘅 nutritions 俾你嘅時候，咁可能 supplementations 啦，其實可能大家就要考慮下。咁當中譬如可能一啲即係營養價值高同埋高嘅 antioxidants 嘅一啲產品啦，咁大家其實就可以考慮下，因為 once 有呢啲 extrinsic 嘅即係 antioxidants。我哋吸收咗之後，其實令到我哋嗰個抗氧化嗰個防禦措施做得好咧，其實會減慢我哋嘅 aging 啦，亦都會減低我哋有 chronic diseases 嘅 opportunity 咯。 好，咁咧就我就介紹啦。咁首先即係大家可能都會有聽過，咦？好似New Skin 都有個叫做S3 scanner 喎，或者叫做 Biopathology scanner。其實係咩嚟嘅咧？即係喺呢個測試我哋究竟係咪 healthy 嘅 stage，係嚟得係好迫切嘅，即係一個好重要嘅 tools。因為平時若果即係大家喺坊間咧可能都問啲醫生啊，即係究竟我係咪即係老化緊啊？或者我身體嘅 cell 其實係咪健康啊？咁其實咧佢哋都要抽血啊，跟住出邊去做啲 lab test 啊。咁其實講緊咧，其實都係要過萬蚊，同埋唔係香港好多個診所或者好多個醫院其實有呢個咁大嘅儀器咧，可以 accommodate 俾你做到呢一個 blood testing to see whether you're healthy or not, whether you are having a very strong antioxidant defense system inside your body。咁所以其實 New Skin 咧就好早之前咧就透過即係科學家啦，就 develop 咗一個叫做S3 嘅 scanner 啦。咁其實佢係 adopt technologies of Raman spectroscopy，佢係一個叫做光譜學嘅原理啦，係啦，係一個即係科學家 develop 嘅。而嗰個光譜學嘅原理咧，其實亦都係攞咗諾貝爾獎嘅。It was awarded the Nobel Prize back in 1930。咁同埋公司其實 invest 咗已經差唔多係即係 over 70 million US dollars in the technology。咁就係呢一步啦，係啦，呢一步啦。咁呢一步咧，其實咧係好簡單，即係 you put your palms of your hand，to cover the blue light eye. I would say this has a little eye on here。係啦，即係 within 1分鐘啦。Okay, in a minute's time, and you will be getting the antioxidants or what we call the carotenoid score。as a result， 跟住你就會由嗰度開始分析你嗰個 score to identify whether you're healthy or not。好 OK。咁嗱，究竟其實而家呢個 result 咧，譬如我度咗啦，係啦，咁我陣間會即係 show 俾大家睇，其實點樣度啦。咁譬如我度咗啦，咁都會發覺，咦，其實我個 result 又可能係萬幾啊、2萬幾、3萬幾、4萬幾，咁其實代表係咩意思咧？咁其實當最低嘅就係 between 即係1萬至到2萬分之間咧，即係其實代表咧你呢度 overall 你嘅 combinations of 呢度呢啲條件咧，其實都係達唔到理想㗎。咁即係譬如當然，即係譬如你嘅飲食啦 dietary habits 啦 may not be good and may not be so good。你嘅 supplements intake 啦，可能其實你本身都冇 take過任何嘅 supplements 去補充翻你嘅 nutrients deficiency 啦。咁你嘅 lifestyle choice 唔係咁好啦，即係譬如可能你冇運動啦，你可能成日曬太陽啦，可能你又成日食煙啦、飲酒啦、又好夜瞓啦，things like that would be pretty much around the lifestyle choices。跟住嘅 body compositions 唔正常、唔理想咧，即係我哋有時俗稱叫 BMI 啊，即係類似啦，就係即係可能你 overweight，OK，可能你黐肥啦，係啦，即係呢啲亦都係你 overall 開始出現一啲 symptoms 話俾你聽，即係呢啲 it's about something really bad happening inside your body。咁所以呢一個嘅 S3 scanner 咧就可以 measure 一個特定嘅叫做 antioxidants 嘅 score 啦，或者我哋中文叫胡蘿蔔素啦，去等你知道究竟其實你係 fall into 邊一個 category。So it will tell you，whether you're healthy or not inside your body。咁呢一個即係 very low range。OK， 呢一個咧其實都 it's not sufficient enough。呢一個咧其實開始 slightly better。呢一個咧much better，but not passing the score。Because the passing score, we normally tell people it's around close to 50,000 score. If you have score go beyond 50,000 score, I congratulate you. Okay, you are having a very good body where this combinations you're doing so good about them。咁譬如頭先我都講，即係呢個 test 係胡蘿蔔素啊嘛。咁因為其實科學家亦都睇得到，其實胡蘿蔔素咧佢亦都係一個好明顯俾我哋知道，我哋身體其實有冇一個防禦或者抗氧化嘅功能咯。咁所以當你個 carotenoid score 越高嘅時候咧，即係其實代表你個 antioxidant defense system 其實就係做得越好咯。係啦，呢度其實都要講，即係呢一個嘅 antioxidant score 其實都會 vary 嘅，即係 from time to time 唔 唔係你今日 test 呢一個 scope 永遠都會係咁。當可能你嘅 bad habit pick up 咗翻嚟啦，譬如 when you start smoking, when you go into bed earlier, so that's all these factors might impact the score of antioxidant. OK 好，咁啦就等我介紹翻其實呢一個咧 S3 scanner 其實喺 in most of 嘅地方啦，咁其實都有得去 measure 嘅，即係譬如喺香港啦，香港嘅 Lee Gardner 嘅 office 啦，咁亦都好多即係 prominent，即係我哋有 presence 嘅地方。咁其實加拿大都有嘅，係啦，不過 Mississauga。咁我自己屋企咧，其實就方便我嘅客人就自己都有擁有一個 S3 scanner。即係當譬如啲朋友就我都唔知道係咪好健康，因為我最近可能又頭痛多咗啦，我覺得我脫髮多咗啦，我好似又好攰啦，好似身體嘅關節可能又痛咗啦，定西得。咁其實呢部嘢咧就可以 test 到啦，即係究竟其實我哋身體嘅狀況其實去到邊咧，防禦功能其實有幾強咧？咁我而家開咗個 S3 scanner 啦，係啦，咁咧我另外咧就配合即係我呢度有個 iPad 嘅，係啦，咁其實咧點樣咧？咁我通常咧就會拎咗之後咧，咁我就開始撳即係呢一個啦，係啦，即係撳呢一個 digital scanner。跟住佢開始，其實佢就會問我咧，打翻我自己嘅 personal information，好少嘅，即係譬如我個名啊同埋我 email address，之後佢可以 send 翻個 score 俾我。OK，㗎啦。咁跟住咧，當佢 run 咗一陣之後咧，咁跟住咧ready 咗啦，我就 open 我呢個眼仔啦，跟住我就 put my palms on it。OK， less than a second, and then the rainbow, I would say the rainbow circle will roll。OK。跟住你就會發覺其實佢有個 score 咧will come off the screen， 咁你就會發覺你就會開始知道其實你個 score number 係咩。我琴日自己 test 咗之後咧，我發覺我自己嘅 score 咧係6萬分嘅，係啦，係啊 ，I was so happy about you that I'm happy I measured the score, the antioxidant scores myself last night. I got 60,000, okay, way beyond 50,000 already. Of course, it took a little of the time to adjust things to impact or to have such a good score. When I started, the measurement, the score that I got was, I guess back to 7 or 8 years ago, it was 24,000. So scary. 嗰時滴汗。睇住我真係咁差，我成日以為我自己都好健康，但係其實by looking at the skin before, by looking at my acne, breakout before, and to be honest， 真係原來係身體真係唔係咁好，咁所以其實都試咗啲產品之後咧，都發覺原來真係 gradually 令到我身體啦purify 咗啦，亦都即係營養intake 咗之後，其實多咗啦。發覺其實身體真係比以前強咗好多，即係特別喺個 inner system 嗰度。OK 好，咁今日咧就即係啦，即係如果大家譬如喺香港啦，嗰啲朋友仔啦，咁其實可以即係 book 個時間啦，你可以同我講啦。So you can measure your antioxidant score, in the Lee Garden office. So I can make the arrangement for you if you want to do that to really get the score for yourself or even for any of your family members. OK， 好係啦。咁究竟其實我剔咗啲乜嘢，即係發覺個身體會 gradually 其實會有變化 positive way 啦，當然係 in a good shape， 而去改善咗我嗰個嘅 antioxidants， 咁去即係減低即係降低 aging 啊 chronic diseases 嘅一啲嘅問題咧。咁呢一個咧我哋叫 lipid family 啦。咁因為其實即係美加或者有啲地方咧，其實佢嘅 lipid 咧唔單止即係呢盒。咁其實 lipid family 咧，其實佢有 for women 㗎啦 ，for prenatal 啦，即係準備生小朋友或者去到生完小朋友嘅媽媽嘅階段，餵緊即係母乳嘅階段啦，都可以食㗎啦。咁另外 lipid prime 咧，即係其實係 for 去到更年期嘅老人家啊，開始即係發覺身體有呢啲咁嘅更年期嘅問題，或者 even 40 years age or over， 跟住嗰啲人就可以考慮食咯。咁其實prenatal 我都有2個添，其實跟住另外一個就係即係 lipid nano 啦，嗰個真係 the most comprehensive 嘅一個 supplementations for lipid in lipid family， 嗰係我嘅摯愛嚟嘅，因為其實佢嘅元素多好多。咁大家其實 by taking a look at the right hand side，this table literally, tells us the 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 nutrients that you intake from the life pack. Okay, what would it be giving you? Okay, can you take this out, fruit or food this much every day in your single meal is difficult, right？ 即係譬如其實佢裏邊有好多嘅 vitamin 啦，有 mineral 啦，有 thyroid，係嗰個 phytonutrients 啊，即係植物嘅元素啦。咁你見到其實維他命 A 啊、維他命 C 啊、B12 啊，即係 iron 啊、calcium，即係呢啲其實 equivalent 一包或者呢個 one pack 咧，佢係等於呢個一 pack 嘅，係啦。one pack 咧其實佢 equivalent to 啲乜嘢咧？你會見到維他命 A 咧，其實等於咧15條嘅 carrot 啊，即係紅蘿蔔。跟住咧呢一個嘅B 啊，即係我哋係咪俗稱叫胡蘿蔔素啊 ？beta carotene，OK，佢裏邊嘅份量咧 is equivalent to taking 6 kinds of green vegetables only this one pack。OK， 咁同埋咧，譬如香蕉啦，佢有 folic acid 啦，我哋葉酸啦，係咪？唔係淨係生仔先要噶嘛。咁 folic acid one pack that it gives you 26 pieces of bananas. So it's very, very difficult for you to consume or intake, things here, right? According to the table. So by simply, taking one pack of light pack in the morning and take another pack in the evening, so it gives you, basically everything, every nutrients that you need, your body needs every day. So 一包其實係 good for 12 hours 嘅。So that's why 我哋 suggest 你 in the morning one pack, in the evening 跟住 another pack 咁樣咯。係啦，咁除咗呢一個之外咧，其實 light pack 咧都有小朋友版嘅 light pack 嘅，即係其實就係呢一個啦。Jungle Mall 係啦，真係 for 小朋友嘅。其實由2歲開始咧就可以，至到12歲左右啦，就可以其實俾佢哋學一次食呢一個。咁佢係佢一粒粒嘅，即係呢一個即係動物嘅形狀啦，有即係hippo 啦，有 elephant 即係 tiger 啦。咁所以其實小朋友食嘅時候咧，就會覺得好似好開心咯。咁同埋佢有少少berry 嘅味道咯。咁佢得係 is chewable。So this is a good design for kids. Okay, if you think there are lack of nutrients deficiency, so this is the very good product for them to chew every day. 我小朋友就每一日食2粒咯，係啦。OK， 咁佢裏邊嘅元素咧，無論小朋友嘅中級又好啦，或者 light pack 其實都好啦。咁其實咧，佢裏邊咧都會有34 nutrients and 41 very high on antioxidants elements OK into a single pack。咁裏邊包括有維他命啦、mineral 啦，同埋啲植物嘅元素喺度啦。係啦，咁你見得到其實佢係好多嘅，咁所以其實 instead of taking too many bottles a day, from the supplement shelves, then you can just take one pack, light pack, that's good enough. Okay, really, good enough. 咁特別因為佢有好高嘅contains very high antioxidants elements into it， 咁所以咧頭先我咪講緊 free radical， 其實我哋係要一啲好高抗氧化嘅嘢去 compact 佢嘅，咁所以其實呢一個咧係一個好高抗氧化嘅物料啦，即係或者嘅ingredients 咧，其實喺裏邊，所以其實大家咧就會發覺食完之後咧，佢真係可以幫你抵擋咧你每一日嘅 free radical 嘅 attack 咯。咁 overall 嘅 benefits 咧可以即係我最早意就係去 enhance 我嘅 immune system 啦。因為我食咗 light pack 之後咧，我小朋友食到Jungle Mall之後咧，佢哋病痛其實真係少咗好多。咁可以強化你嘅DNA 嘅 protection， 即係我哋嗰個細胞組織嘅 protection 啦。咁可以令到我哋嘅血管改善啦，即係冇咁容易閉塞啦。咁我哋嘅 bone nutrition 亦都會強化咗啦。咁所以啲人食完之後都發覺咧，啲關節可能其實就冇咁痛啦。咁亦都 promote general 嘅 well-being 同埋 stabilize blood sugar， 即係可能有啲人好 fluctuate 嘅 blood sugar。咁呢個其實亦都會令到佢咧可以 stabilize， 即係去平穩啲嘅，即係唔會特別高或者特別低。咁當然啦，佢並唔係一個即係 for 你糖尿病去控制嘅一樣嘢。咁但係 in terms of 個 blood sugar 咧，佢其實佢係做得好好嘅 in terms of 個 stabilization。 好，咁另外一樣嘢咧就係G3嘅，即係我屋企其實咧都久唔久其實都有食嘅，呢個亦都係好高嘅 antioxidants 嘅trace elements 喺呢個 G3 裏邊，咁我覺得都啱小朋友，尤其是可能譬如出街咧，你唔係好多食 vegetable 嘅時候咧，即係你帶一包呢個，尤其是可能翻工啊、食晏啊，咁一定都唔會好大堆嘅蔬菜俾你㗎嘛，咁一定要自己帶啦。咁但係如果自己冇安排嘅時候咧，咁其實你 simply 其實帶一包 G3 就得啦。咁其實 G3 咧，佢係一個叫 superfruit 啦，因為佢喺南亞洲裏邊搜羅，即係我哋嘅 scientist 南亞洲搜羅咗一啲好高抗氧化嘅一啲嘅生果，而 put together 就擺落去做咗呢個 G3 嘅。其實 G3 咧，其實佢有兩個 packing 嘅，一個就係即係樽裝啦，另外一個咧其實就係呢一個獨立包裝，咁所以其實呢個攞出街我哋覺得超方便嘅，係啦。咁佢其實咧佢有啲咩咧？佢除咗呢一個 GAC 之外咧，係啦，呢個 GAC 啦，係啦。咁另外咧佢就再有另外3種嘅high antioxidants 嘅即係生果裏邊啦，譬如有我哋中國嘅叫做乜嘢啊？我哋有時叫做 woodberry 嗰啲叫咩？細細粒嗰啲咧，成日唔知叫即係lycium 啦，係啦 ，chili fruit 啦，有Siberian 嘅 pineapple 啦。其實呢幾種嘅生果咧，除咗中國嗰個叫枸杞係咪枸杞？係啦，紅色一粒粒細細嘅紅色嗰啲咧，係啦，即係除咗呢個之外咧，我哋其實咧都其他嗰3種嘅 superfood，我哋都唔真係容易接觸嘅，我哋都好難去買得到，因為真係喺南亞州去搜羅翻嚟，而去 produce 即係話去 develop 到呢個即係 G3，咁所以其實呢個咧即係你買翻其實就係超方便。咁呢一個咧其實佢好好咧係做到啲咩咧？因為佢高抗氧化，佢可以做得到咧。我哋對眼啦，我哋對眼即係可能睇嘢矇啦，開始衰退老化啦。其實呢一個咧同埋有時有啲人發覺好高個度數嘅視力咧，佢都會可以幫你改善到，改善到啊，完全唔會係令到你即係調節佢冇咗近視嚇，但係改善到佢心血管啦，同埋佢嗰個細胞嘅保護能力咧係做得好高，同埋佢 overall 咧for rejuvenating 你個 body 咧嗰個 step 啊，嗰個 process 都做到，你飲完之後你會覺得好高嘅 energy 嘅。咁其實因為點解咧？佢裏邊咧呢個高抗氧化佢嘅維他命啦嚇，裏邊其實可以咧 equivalent to 一包嚇，等於你食咗70個嘅 tomatoes 啦，因為佢有胡蘿蔔素喺裏邊啦，佢等於佢有10個嘅即係10條嘅 carrot 食咗啦，佢等於有維他命 C 嘅濃度，佢有等於你食咗60個嘅橙啦，同埋亦都等於你食咗40條嘅即係粟米咯，係啦。So it gives you a very high level and concentrate, unique and highly bioavailable form of carotenoid 嘅一個 ingredients 喺裏邊咯。咁所以其實一日一包，或者即係你有需要嘅時候，就一包，其實真係好好。特別啲小朋友咯，即係其實若果佢哋真係唔係均衡飲食嘅，即係除咗 junk 可以 daily intake 之外咧，其實我覺得夠唔夠俾 G3 俾佢哋飲咧，其實有好好。我就俾佢哋即係一個禮拜都有2至3次啦，係帶翻學校咁嗰度即係當 lunch 啊食lunch 嘅時候就飲咯。咁同埋呢一個咧，佢冇 artificial 嘅 flavour 喺裏邊嘅，全部真係全天然。頭先我講幾個生果，仲有其他少少嘅元素啦。咁但係都係一啲好天然嘅元素，咁就會 put together 咯 into the development 係啦，唔好意思啊。咁大家咧可能知道而家 LIPAC 啦可以增加我嗰個嘅抗氧化指數啦，G3 又可以增加我抗氧化指數啦，小朋友亦都可以 take jungle 啦。但係即係當然咧，亦都有其他嘅2種喺 New Skin 嘅 supplement 嘅 family 裏邊咧，其實都係大大增加你嘅嗰個嘅抗氧化指數嘅。Okay, so who are they? Besides, apart from LIPAC, jungle mold, and G3, so I would also suggest you take the eye formula, which gives a high beneficials to your eyes. And you spend probably the friend of mine have noticed I've been taking U-Spend for some time already, since it was since it was launched 2 years ago, that it's really good in terms of high antioxidants， 同埋因為其實佢裏邊咧有好多種嘅元素喺裏邊咧，佢會改善我嘅 bone 啦、heart 啦、我嘅 eyes 啦。So simply from head to toes, in what it does, it basically adjusts and repairs the cells and renew your cells and every single cell to the inside your body。咁所以其實 once 你 take 咗 USPEN 之後，你發覺你 energy level 好高啦，即係樣樣嘢咧係同你調節咗、改善咗，冇咁骨痛啦，眼冇咁 blur 啦，即係我冇嘢咁朦，因為我哋個眼好乾啦。咁食完之後其實即係 even 個 eye formula 其實都可以幫助到呢樣嘢。咁所以咧，你會見到我寫咗個 guaranteed increase of antioxidant score。So this is really guaranteed. Okay, this company is really cool. Okay, it guarantees you after you take this kind of supplements, okay, either one or two or even all for certain times, like up to 3 months, it will definitely bring up your antioxidant score. Okay, so firsthand you need to score yourself, okay, before you take this kind of supplements. After 3 months, taking the supplements, and then you can score your cells again, okay, in terms of the antioxidants into your body. It would definitely bring your score up. Okay, it might not bring your score up to beyond 50,000. It really based on how it's you started with. Okay, if you started with the score very low, like 10,000, it might take some time, right, to let it go up. 但係即係佢一定係 guarantee 你嗰個嘅 score 一定可以 go up. Well, otherwise the company will refund you, okay, in full. How cool is that? I don't think the other companies who manufacture or who sell the supplements would have a bold message or statement to tell you, hey, once it didn't work on your body, okay, because the score doesn't come up, I will give you back the money in full. I don't think every single company out there in the marketplace would have a bold message to tell you such statement。咁所以即係我個好有信心咧，就係即係若果我身邊嘅朋友啦，你聽到呢個 message 之後啦 ，so you might consider taking life back, at the start, and then ultimately you may want to bring in USPEN in your life, in your daily intake as the additional supplementation. Well, definitely, it will increase your antioxidant score. Okay, I'm sure, pretty sure, because my family member have been taking this, for some time continuously. I can tell you what, their score goes up.Really, OK， 咁所以啦，即係大家真係可以考慮下，即係 LifePak 啦，因為佢係一個全面 comprehensive 一個 overall 嘅身體嘅一個營養嘅產品啦。咁即係大家可以考慮，即係 at the start 可以試咗 LifePak 先，跟住先至可以慢慢再加其他嘅元素喺裏邊咯。但係即係小朋友嚟講咧，即係我覺得 G3 啦同埋 Jungamol 真係一個好好嘅一個 supplement 咯，即係冇其他嘅雜質啦。純天然啦，同埋佢真係都高抗氧化，即係唔好諗住小朋友咧唔需要高抗氧化，但係小朋友因為好多 stress 㗎，即係 when they go to school daily, a lot of engagements with other states, right? that you may not be aware。例如佢交功課啊，趕住返學啊，即係樣嘢其實香港又好，或者其實加拿大都好，即係其實生活有陣時都會好趕，亦都會好多即係唔同嘅壓力嘅，即係唔好諗住小朋友其實唔好。But Jungamol and G3, are the highly recommended, supplements for your kids that you may consider. All right, OK， 好，今日咧我就分享係咁多啦，係啦，咁就唔好意思，我今日做唔到 live，咁所以我就會將呢個 video 啦，我就會即係錄低咗之後咧，我就會 put up 喺個 Facebook 嗰度。咁我希望下個禮拜咧可以 fix 咗個問題，咁我大家可以同 live 大家傾下偈，即係可以互動下，因為我中意互動。OK， 好啦，拜拜。